Welcome to CIT Library's Endnote Online tutorial for students. Endnote Online is a simple-to-use referencing software package. Like other referencing programs, Endnote Online will allow you to create your very own library of saved references and to create correctly formatted bibliographies in your essay or assignment. Apart from Endnote Online, there are a number of other referencing or bibliographic software packages available, such as Zotero, Mendeley, RefWorks, etc. So you may like to try these too. This particular tutorial will, however, concentrate on the free version of Endnote, often referred to as Endnote Online. This short guide will explain what Endnote Online is, point out its benefits, and show you how to use it. So what exactly is Endnote Online? Endnote Online goes by three different names. Sometimes it's referred to as Endnote Web, or Endnote Basic, or even Endnote Online. Endnote Online is a free, web-based version of the full subscription-based Endnote package. However, despite being free, it will still take care of the majority of your referencing requirements. Endnote Online is the ideal referencing option for many students, since it allows you to easily collect, organize, and format references and store them online. Most importantly, Endnote Online will help you save time when referencing, since it allows you to enter or import online references, manage and edit references, easily create citations within your assignment, easily create a bibliography in the reference style of your choice. Referencing is used for the purpose of acknowledging the works of others, and you should reference content whenever you are using a direct source of information or referring to a source which supports your own findings. By referencing material correctly, you are upholding intellectual honesty, attributing original ideas to the correct source, and helping the reader to gauge the validity of your own work. There are established referencing styles which have their own consistent rules when formatting, both the in-text citations and the bibliography. There are a large array of referencing styles available, and many are associated with different disciplines. The Harvard referencing style is commonly used throughout the many departments in the Cork Institute of Technology. However, we would strongly advise that students check with their own department to determine which referencing style should be used in assignments. You will also find a detailed guide to some of the more commonly used referencing styles on the CIT Library website, including Harvard, APA, MLA, IEEE, as well as others. However, by using freely available software such as Endnote Online, referencing becomes much easier. Endnote Online allows you to store up to 50,000 separate references, allows you to store up to 2 gigabytes of data, including images, PDF documents, YouTube clips, etc. You can also send up to 500 references at any one time from library databases, and most importantly, Endnote Online allows you to import references directly into Microsoft Word, create and manipulate citations in your assignment, and to create a bibliography. With Endnote Online, you can also do the following: compile a concise online library of all of your references, group references together into your preferred categories, avoid having to have a citation without a corresponding reference, store PDF documents as part of your library. The time-saving element of Endnote is also very important, since Endnote allows you to directly import references from CIT databases, automatically generate in-text citations within Microsoft Word. All of the associated complexities of your chosen referencing style are automatically dealt with, including commas, brackets, etc. You can also quickly change between referencing styles. To start using Endnote Online, go to www.myendnoteweb.com and create an account. Then simply fill in your personal details, email address, name, etc. Then set up your password, but please pay particular attention here since your password needs to be at least 8 characters and needs to include numbers, letters, and symbols. When completed, simply click on the I agree button. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with the Getting Started guide, which appears in the middle of the screen. If you want to use all of the Endnote Online's potential, you might also want to download a patch to your computer. You will need to do this on all of the PCs that you regularly use. To download this patch, click on the Options tab and choose to download installers. To install the web capture option, follow the instructions here to install this feature in your browser toolbar. If you're using Microsoft Word with either Internet Explorer or Google Chrome, then simply choose and download the appropriate option. Once installed correctly, this patch will add a mini Endnote online toolbar to the top of the Microsoft Word screen, as well as installing an Endnote web shortcut and a web page capture button at the top of your browser page. There are a number of ways that references can be imported into your Endnote account. We suggest that you leave your Endnote account open in a second browser session when searching databases and looking for reference material. You can export from any of the CIT databases which have direct export options for Endnote Web. You can also enter references manually by using the capture option which appears in your browser toolbar. Unfortunately, in some cases, you may have to enter references manually. For an example, you may want to enter details of a book you've just read. Or the online resources you've just been using may not provide an option to export directly to Endnote Basic. The IHS database is one such database in our collection which does not provide an export option. Finally, some web pages that you capture may not always seamlessly transfer across into Endnote Online. However, you can easily tidy these up from within your Endnote account. To manually create a new reference, click on the Collect option and then choose New Reference. From the drop-down list, you can now choose the type of material that you're creating the new reference for, whether it's a book, journal article, ebook, etc. Then simply enter as much detail about the item as you can, for example, author's name, title, year of publication, etc. As you finish each field, it will automatically be saved. Clicking within a particular field will allow you to edit your text further. Endnote Web works seamlessly with Microsoft Word via Cite and Write software. Once you've downloaded the Endnote Web patch for Microsoft Word, an Endnote button will appear at the top of Microsoft Word. To start entering a reference into your assignment, select this tab. Firstly, you'll need to find the citations that you've already imported into Endnote. To do this, select the Find Citations button. Then enter the surname of the author that you're looking for and hit the Find button. If you are unsure of the name of the author that you're looking for or the spelling of the surname, you can simply enter the letter A and this will pull up a list of all of your references. When you will find the correct author and the associated reference, simply press the Insert button at the bottom of the Open dialog box. Having done this, Endnote will enter the reference correctly at the end of your quotation or wherever the cursor is located at that particular point. Secondly, Endnote will begin to create your bibliography at the end of your document. You can even give your bibliography a title by clicking on the Bibliography button on the toolbar. Simply click on the Layout tab and then type your preferred title in the Bibliography title box. You can also change between different referencing styles at any stage by selecting the Style drop-down list and choosing the reference style of your choice. By doing this, all your citations will automatically appear formatted in your chosen style. It's a good idea to click on the Preferences button and to then select the Application tab. This will ensure that Endnote remembers your email and password so that you don't have to constantly keep entering it. It's also a good idea to have Endnote Web open in the background when you are using Microsoft Word. Once you've downloaded the Endnote patch for your chosen browser, a shortcut to your Endnote account and a capture button will appear at the top of your browser bar. The capture button will allow you to capture the details of any website that you access. If you happen to get a message informing you that Endnote can't display the captured citation, simply adjust the settings in your pop-up blocker. This should take care of any issues. After capturing a web page, a dialog box will appear. Many of the details in relation to the captured web page will now be automatically stored in Endnote. However, you can manually supplement these details by entering them in the blank boxes provided. When finished, simply hit the Save button. If you find at any stage you need additional functionality with Endnote, you can always upgrade to the subscription-based full version of Endnote. All of the references you've accumulated with Endnote Basic can easily be transferred over to the full version. Please note that Endnote Online is not the only freely available referencing software, so you may like to experiment with these as well. Other examples include Zotero and RefWorks. Thank you for viewing our Endnote Online tutorial. Endnote is freely available to everyone and is available at www.myendnoteweb.com. If you need any additional information on this product, please talk to CIT Library staff or view our other tutorials on the CIT Library website.